Hi guys, I found the transformer that I will use for lowering the voltage to turn on the filament. But now I haven't found yet where I have put the mercury arc rectifier, but for now I'm demonstrating you the voltage regulation of this board, and it will show here in the multimeter the results. So I have connected in the highest value of the coil and in the neutral, as you can see here from the board, like the motor, as you can see, like the motor was. So neutral is connected to neutral and phase is connected to triac. So let's turn on. As you can see, 2 volts. That is great for my filament. So it will raise it up. Carefully guys, don't touch wires, it will kill you. Just a second. As you can see, is 6.1 volt because I used half of the transformer output. So the wire is huge. As you can see, is 10 American wire gauge, as you can see here. So I will reduce it to 2 volts. Just a second. So it's nice voltage for the filament of my mercury arc rectifier, and it have high current. So also is stabilized, and I will test it later. Have a nice day guys. Don't forget to